Statistics. Some basic concepts. In a statistical survey, the objects whose characteristics are studied are called units or individuals. Thus, associated with any statistical survey, we have a set of units. The totality of units under consideration is called population or universe. A population may be that of people, trees, fields, heights, etc. A population which contains finite or countable number of units is called a finite population. A population which contains infinite or uncountable number of units is called an infinite population. Finite population. Example 1. Number of chickens in one cage. Example 2. Number of students in class A. Infinite population. Example 1. Number of stars in a space. Example 2. Number of cells in a person's body. Sample. The representative units of a population is called sample. The units have some characteristics. These characteristics may be numerically measurable or may not be numerically measurable. Numerically measurable characteristics are called quantitative characteristics. For example, height of a person, weight of an apple. The characteristics which are not numerically measurable are called qualitative characteristics. In a population, some characteristics remain the same for all units and some others vary from unit to unit. A quantitative characteristics which varies from unit to unit is a variable. For example, height or weight of a person, number of students. A qualitative characteristics which varies from unit to unit is a attribute. For example, skin color, ability or intelligence of a person, beauty of a lady. A variable may be discrete or continuous. Discrete and continuous variable. A variable which assumes only some specified values in a given range is a discrete variable. A variable which assumes all the values in a given range is a continuous variable. Measurement of qualitative data. Measurement of quantitative data is very easy, but qualification of a qualitative or abstract phenomena requires a different type of scale of measurement. They are nominal and ordinal scale. Nominal scale. Nominal scale is one in which numbers are assigned simply as symbols or identifiers of a different categories of observation. However, they can be used for counting the observations which belong to different categories. Ordinal scale. Ordinal scale is one in which numbers are assigned to observations in such a way that They can be arranged in the increasing or decreasing order. Here, numbers are assigned indicate the intensity of the phenomenon.